your math class. I am your math teacher, Jeevita. So in the last videos, we learned different types of addition. We learned addition on number line. We learned addition using objects. Today also we will be learning some more types of addition. Today, what specially we are going to learn is vertical and horizontal addition. So today the method that we are going to learn is vertical and horizontal. So vertical, what do you mean by vertical? Vertical means standing line. Okay. Horizontal means sleeping line. So keep this in mind and let's learn this method in an activity. So children, let's learn vertical and horizontal addition in the activity form. So what did I tell you about horizontal? Horizontal means sleeping form. So the numbers will be next to next in the sleeping line or on the sleeping line. Think this is the line. Okay. Now the number should be on this line. Check how many beats you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 beats here. And I have to add it with how many beats in the next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to add it with 6. Now count all together and see what is the answer. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So my answer is 11. This is my answer. So you can see here all my numbers are on my sleeping line. This form of addition is called horizontal addition. Same thing, how will we do it in vertical addition? Vertical means standing line. So numbers also should be on standing form. So the first number, I'll keep it here. Now second number should be below that. Next, this sign should be here near the second number. Okay, this is how we write addition in vertical form. Vertical means standing, so it should be one below other. And where will I write the answer? Answer should be here below the question. So what is 5? 5 plus 6 is 5 plus 6 together is 11. That I should write it below here, 11. So this is vertical and horizontal addition. So what is this form called? Vertical, that is standing line. If I want to do it in horizontal, all should be on sleeping line like this. So this is horizontal sleeping line. This is vertical standing line. Okay children, so now you know what is horizontal and vertical addition. So now we were adding one numbers. That was very easy. Now let's go for next step. We will add 2-digit numbers, that is numbers having ones and tens place. Like example 5, 6. 5, 6, 56. So 56 is 2-digit number because it has 2 numbers. Okay, so we will be adding numbers like this now. So let's start. For this, I am going to use the blocks. So you have already known this blocks. You have seen it in your previous exercises and classes also. So what is this? This we use for tens places. Okay, and for ones place, we will be using this ones block. So let's start. Let's take 1, 5, 15. Okay, 1, 5, 15. And I am going to add it with 2, 3, 23. So I am keeping one below other. So what is this addition called? Vertical addition. So where should I keep my plus sign here? I should keep here next to the second number. Now let's find the answer for it. Here I should write my answer. Below this line I should keep my answer. So let's use the blocks and count. First I have 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks in ones place. This is for ones place. I have 5 blocks in ones place. Here I have 1 tens block. Okay, this we finished the first number. Now what we should do? Let us take the second number. So here 3 in ones place. Children, always when you are adding, see what I am doing? Always I am taking the ones place first. You should also start from ones place only. So I have 3 in ones place. So I should take 3 more blocks. 3 more blocks. I am keeping 3 more blocks now. Next, here I have 2. So what should I do? I should take 2 tens. And I am keeping it here in tens block. Now count all together, you get your answer. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer I should write here? 8. Now what is the answer I should write here? 1, 2, 3. 3. Now read what is the answer? 3, 8, 38. So when you add 15 plus 23, the answer you get is 38. So let us do one more sum. So I'll take it off and I'll do the other sum now. Let us take another number. 8, 3. Let us take this 38 only here and add it with 2, 1, 21. So how many blocks I should take first? In ones place you have 8. So take 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let us first finish one side and then go for the next side. Okay. So I finished keeping 8 blocks. Next, how many blocks I should take? 1 extra block and add it with this. So totally now how many you have? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the answer here. So let me keep it off. So I finished ones. Now let us go for tens place. What I should take? 3 tens block. So let me take 3 tens block. I am keeping it here. Now how many extra I should take? 2. Let us take 2 extra block. Now add it here. Count how many together you have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the answer you get here? 5. So finally my answer is 5, 9, 59. So you understood this, right children? Very good. So let us go for next addition where you are going to add 3 numbers. Means you are going to add example. I'll take first only ones place for example. Okay. So I'm going to add 1 with 4 plus 3. So what I'm doing here? I'm adding 3 numbers. So what should I do? I'm going to add the 3 numbers. So what should I do is first take the first number. I have 1 and add it with the second number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many you have here now? 5. Keep that in your mind. So you have 5 blocks here. Okay. How many blocks you have here is 5. This number should be in your mind. Next I should add 3 blocks more. The third number, 3 blocks more. 1, 2, 3. So already you had 5, right? So you added this 3 extra. So count after 5. 6, 7, 8. So my answer finally is 8. This is how you are going to add 3 numbers. First what you will do is add the 2 numbers, take the answer. Keep that answer in your mind. Next add the third number. After the number which you have kept in your mind, you will start counting. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is my answer. So now it was very easy because you had 1 numbers. So let us go for 2-digit number. Means let us use even the tens block. 7, 4, 74. 1, 0, 10 plus 0, 1. 0, 1 is 1 only. So now we are going to add this. That is also very easy. First, how did you add the ones place? Let us add it off first. 4 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there is 0, I am not going to add anything. So my answer is 4. So let us keep this in mind. And add the next number 1. So after 4, 5. What is the answer I should keep here? 5. So I finished ones place. Now let's go for tens place. First you have to take 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 blocks here. How much I should add now? 1. So let's take 1, add it up. So 7, I added with 1. Now how many sticks I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 sticks now. Okay? Keep this in mind. Next what you should do? Add the third number. What's your third number? 0. So I am not going to add anything because it's 0. So what is the answer now? 8. So my final answer is 85. So I hope you have understood this activity. Let's go for the classwork part and learn more. In the classwork part, I want everyone to take your textbook, page number 117. Take your classwork book, pencil and your eraser. Now let's start writing it. All of you go to your fresh page and write third mean. Third mean, find the sum. F-I-N-D, find. T-H-E, the S-U-M, sum. Full stop. Leave one line. Let's start the first one. Leave one box. 7. We are doing vertical addition, children. So next number should be written below it, below 7. So write 2 below 7 and write plus sign near the second number. Use your scale, draw a sleeping line like this to tell the number. Here is the answer. So now let's add. For adding, you use blocks, right, in the activity. Here, let us think the line is a block. So you will draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, you will draw 2 lines here. 1, 2. How many lines you have here? 7. So count next. After 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So let us do one more sum. Leave the next box. Write second question. Leave one box. Write 5 plus 3. Sleeping line. Now how many lines to draw? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be my answer here? 8. Now leave a line. Write third question. Here we'll be adding 3 numbers, children. Okay. Write 4. Next, below 4 write 3. After that you write 2. And plus sign should be near the last number here. And sleeping line for answer. So let's count this. 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Next 2 lines. 1, 2. Now count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Is it not easy? Leave one line and write fourth question. Leave one box. 3, 2, 2. Plus sign near the last number. And sleeping line. Now draw the lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 7. So I don't have place to write here. I am going for the next page. Let's go for the next page here. Now let us add 2-digit numbers, children. Write fifth question. Leave one box. Children, leave 2 boxes. Okay? And write T. One box. You leave one box. Write O. So it is T-O. You should leave 2 boxes here. And write the question. 5 252 plus 2 7 27 and sleeping line for the answer. So let's draw the line. First, which one you should do? Ones place. So 2 lines. Next you should draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. Now let us go for tens place. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 2 lines. 1, 2. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7, 9, 79. Now let's go for the last sum. 6th one. Again, leave one line and write the question, children. T-O. See where you have written T, there only write T and O. Now we are going to add 3 two-digit numbers. 21, 25, 32. Let's add them. Sleeping line, don't forget this. So come, let's draw the lines now. 1. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Now let's do for the tens place. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7. 7, 8, 78. So this is classwork part, children. In the interactive class, I am going to start with textbook exercise in page 117, 18 and 19. Same what we did in today's classwork, we'll be doing it in the textbook also. So, if you can try it without my help, it will be very nice. I'll be checking in the interactive class who have already finished it. Okay children, let's meet in the interactive class. Thank you. Bye-bye.